Well, hello there, world of designers, and thank you so much for tuning back in with your girl, Latisha McKinney. And if you are brand new, we would so love to have you. Just click that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell ringer so every time we upload, you'll be the first to know. So let's get started in today's tutorial and making some awesome, beautiful centerpieces. All right, everyone. So today is Friday. Yes. But, your girls still have to do stuff over the weekend, but it's all okay. So let's go ahead and start in this DIY that we're going to be doing today. These are the items that we're going to be needing. Voila, voila, voila. Those are the items. Now make sure that you do check the description box down below because I will have everything in there. And remember, I've told you guys on story time that I'm going to start doing some blogging. So just give me some time. Your girl's trying to get it together. All right. Now let's kick off in this tutorial. So we're going to start with our Dollar Tree wine glass. I already have the gold leafing pen around, but we'll go over that later. Now for your E6000, you're just going to take the E6000 and go right across the stem part of it, just making a straight line going all the way up. Now I'm going to do this in slow motion. The reason why I would like for you all to just take the E6000 and go straight up on the stem is because you can just go around, see, like I'm going in a circular motion just to make it easier on yourself. But I'm doing it in slow motion so you all can just see where I'm going with this. Now, if you so happen to mess up with this being E6000 or like Gorilla Glue or anything like that, you have time to just go ahead and straighten that out against like using hot glue. You have to take it off and place it back on. But doing it this way with the E6000 makes it more easier and make sure that you are in a well ventilated area. Now we're going to continue to rotate our glass until we get up to that place where we desire for it to be. Now I am going to take it up a little bit more right here. You can stop right there if you want to, but I'm just going to take it up a little bit more, and I did place some more E6000 on there. So I'm going to continue to rotate my glass going up to where I stopped with the E6000. And if it so happens to like lap over just a little bit, just straighten it out just what you see me patting it to make sure, like that, back in place. So now I'm coming to a stopping point. Now wherever you're going to stop, make sure that you place your E6000 right there. Stop where your E6000 is and just cut. Now down here in this area, I want to come down just a little bit more. So what I have left up here, I'm going to start at the bottom where I started at and just start rotating it around just like I did to go up to the top. Continue to make sure that that flat side is pressed up against your stem and just keep going around in a circular motion. And if it so happens to like go down a little bit or have some space in between there, just push it up and you'll be good to go. So now what I'm doing, I'm just cleaning my wine glass like from any E6000 that may have got on to this part of my glass. So I'm just making sure it's cleaned off very well using rubbing alcohol. Now this step is totally optional. You can use hairspray or adhesive spray. Spray it onto your rose and just place some little glitter on here. And that's what I did because I wanted to match the sequin on here. So all I used was stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I've showed you guys this before in that video right there, how I made this mix. Now I am just using the gold leafing pen to just show you all what I did for the top area. Now make sure that you take your gold leafing pen and do a complete circle around the rim part of your wine glass, and that's it. Now we're going to take our rose and we're going to place it inside of our wine glass, and that's how it would look. Just take your little glitter mix and you can mix in whatever colors you want, pour it in there and just place your rose inside. So beautiful and simple. So you all tell me what you think down below. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. The girl had to take that necklace off because I got somewhere to be, okay? So I will see you all on Monday. And for everyone that follow me on Storytime, I will see you guys later on. And you know how we do it. All right, friends, I'll see you in the next one. You have a blessed and beautiful weekend. And guess what? I will see you in the next one. Bye. All right, dear friends, so if this is your first time, we would love for you to visit our website at designerwithlatishamckinney.com and sign up for our bi-weekly newsletter. And we also have 2 videos for you to your left and to your right. Now, we will see you guys Monday and have an awesome weekend.